In this lesson, we'll show you how to configure the simulation settings for the timeliner. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Simulate tab in the timeliner. Then click the button that says Settings and is followed by 3 ellipses. The Simulation Settings window will appear. If you click the checkbox that says Overwrite Start-End Dates, you can change the start and end dates for the simulation. The chief use of this option is to allow you to run a simulation over a small subsection of your overall project. The interval size allows you to set how fast the simulation moves when you're stepping through it. So if we have it set to 5 weeks, moving 1 unit in the step through will show the course of our project 5 weeks on. You can adjust this freely, depending on the scope and scale of your project. You can also specify how long it will take to play back the animation, where the overlay text appears, how it appears, and also if you want any particular camera angles during specific parts of the animation. You can also choose between planned and actual dates when setting your simulation. Because we've only set actual dates so far, we'll click Actual. When you're satisfied with your settings, click OK. Now the Simulate tab will show standard media player controls. You can begin playing your simulation immediately, but we would recommend that you go through your tasks, data sources, and configure tabs to make sure everything is correct. In particular, make sure that your appearances are as you want them, so that your simulation will run the way you expect it. Once you're sure of all your different options, press the play button. You'll notice that the animation begins moving through each of the tasks in chronological order, and changing the colors of the different parts to what you set in the Configure tab. Once the animation is complete, it will simply stop moving. If you go back to your tasks now, you can see again the full scale of your project, not just what you specified in the simulation.